In this video, I'm going to show you how to change language on One Piece Bounty Rush. So first thing you need to do is to go and open any web browser that you have. So after opening any web browser that you have, all you need to do is to search for One Piece Bounty Rush. After searching for One Piece Bounty Rush, all you need to do is to click the second link that will pop up for this one. After that, all you need to do is to just go and wait. So after that, you can go and accept cookies or not. For me, I'll just X this. Then after that, as you can see here, you could see here game, how to play, characters, stages, about Steam, and there's also here English. So basically, One Piece Bounty Rush has two language options, Japanese and English. So whatever language you prefer, you could always choose from these two, English or Japanese, and that's it. That's how you'll be able to change language on One Piece Bounty Rush.